Chair of the Council plus other governors for a photo session. But we're also going to have a gift courtesy of the Council of Governors Steering Committee that organized the Devolution Conference. So this photo is the Right Honorable Prime Minister and the 47 governors, those who were present. The next photo is going to be the Right Honorable Prime Minister and senators present.
You've done it.
Asanteni sana, asante sana. Oh, Governor Malombo was not caught in the photo. There you go. Asanteni sana. Next up, I'll call the senators who are present. The senators who are present to come for this photo with the Right Honorable former Prime Minister. Asante sana, governors. Thank you very much, governors. Senators, a photo with the senators. A photo with the senators. A photo with the senators. We'll also have a photo with deputy governors present and another one with members of the National Assembly who are present. Senators, Senator Mugeni. Thank you. Thank you very much, senators. Next up, I want to call a photo with the deputy governors, led by the chair of the Deputy Governors Forum. Former Prime Minister Asante Sana. We want to take a photo with the deputy governors present. All the deputy governors present. Photo with the deputy governors present. A quick one, Deputy Governors, tafadhali. We want to have another one with members of the National Assembly who are here. Asante, asante. Asante sana. The Council of Governors has a gift for you, Right Honorable former Prime Minister. The Devolution Conference Steering Committee and the Council of Governors. Tafadhalini, we have a guest. Excuse me. Former Prime Minister, please come to the stage. Please come to the stage. Mwalimu Bage, please help me. Former Prime Minister, please come to the stage. We have a photo and a gift for you. This is a gift from the Devolution Conference Steering Committee. We have a book on devolution. Governor Waiguru, the chair of the Council of Governors, flanked by the vice chair, who's also the chair of the Devolution Steering Committee. And that other present as well. Asante sana. Asante sana. Our chief guest, we thank you very much for joining us. We'll be proceeding to lunch to my right. Ladies and gentlemen, our afternoon session begins in an hour's time after lunch. Lunch is served just like yesterday. Delegates to the left and guests who have invitation cards to the right. And then we will be convening for our afternoon session, where we have several breakaway sessions. We have several breakaway sessions, 4 breakaway sessions. One breakaway session will be on agriculture, which will be in room number 3. Room number 1 will be hosting Empowering Youth for Inclusive Economic Growth. Number 2 will be on natural resources. And this main plenary hall will be hosting a breakaway session on health service delivery. Health service delivery will be here. Number 1 will be on youth. Number 2 will be on natural resources. And number 3 will be on agriculture sector. Those are the 3 breakaway sessions. Please go to your session of interest in an hour's time after lunch. Enjoy your lunch, ladies and gentlemen.